Welcome to my channel Gosia Art Home Cooking. Today I like to show you how I make homemade cranberry sauce. Very simple and delicious recipe, and I hope you enjoy. For my homemade cranberry sauce I need 24 ounces cranberries, fresh cranberries, 1 cup of orange juice and 1 cup of sugar. I use the cane sugar, and let's go started. I just put my 2 packs of cranberries in a hot skillet, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of orange juice. Stir and wait. Usually takes no time, 30 minutes is max to make this great cranberry sauce. Will be absolutely perfect addition for my turkey or any meal like cranberry. You see the cranberry start bubbling. Now I'll put my heat, medium heat off, and I will simmer for 15 minutes. It's few minutes and the cranberry got thicker, almost all cranberry pop. It's best idea to keep first on a high heat, later on just medium heat. Very simple recipe and just no stress, and homemade, fresh, absolutely perfect sauce. Cranberry sauce will be ready. Cranberry is much thicker. Couple more minutes. Looks beautiful. Great taste. Great addition for my dinner. My cranberry sauce is done. A nice and thick consistency. It's ready. When the cranberry sauce cool down, I will put in a refrigerator and will be ready to serve. Homemade cranberry sauce is done. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up, please like, share and comment, and subscribe for more recipes. And happy Thanksgiving to all. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.